Hello friends, welcome to my channel Peacock and Sathi. Today we will learn different types of birds' names and their sound. Let's go! Starling. Starling sound name wolf whistle. Parrot. Parrot sound name talk. Crow. Crow sound name cow. Woodpecker. Woodpecker sound name pig. Pigeon. Pigeon sound name coo. Duck. Duck sound name quack. Sparrow. Sparrow sound name chirp. Rooster. Rooster sound name is crow. Robin bird. Robin bird sound name chuckle. Chicken. Chicken sound name cluck. Flamingo. Flamingo sound name honk. Penguin. Penguin sound name growl. Turkey. Turkey sound name gobble. Seagull. Seagull sound name kyar. Swan. Swan sound name claw. Red-winged blackbird. Red-winged blackbird sound name seared. Cardinal. Cardinal sound name cheat. Budgerigar. Budgerigar sound name whistle. Peacock. Peacock sound name squawk. Eagle. Eagle sound name screech. Barn owl. Barn owl sound name screech. Horned owl. Horned owl sound name hoot. Ostrich. Ostrich sound name chirp. bark. Toucan. Toucan sound name crown. If you like my efforts, please subscribe, like, share my channel and press the bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching.